Thank you for showing an interest in Creative Connector's decorative shelf kit. Let us show you how it works.
They come in two different lengths, 24 and 36 inches long. The three colors are walnut, white, and maple with a melamine finish. The installation will show how easy it is to install. Using a stud finder, locate where the studs are. Most studs are every 16 inches. Level both lines. Screw the connectors to the lines. Place the shelf on top of the connectors and draw a line on the underside of the shelf lining up with the connectors. Screw the connectors to the underside of the shelf. The wider opening on the top of the bracket, slide the bracket up over the connector. Placing the connectors on the shelf into the wider opening on the bracket, push to the wall and push down, locks it all into place. The system hides everything internally. The shelf will hold 80 pounds. You can reverse the shelf by sliding the brackets down over top of the connectors, sliding the shelf up underneath onto the opening and to the wall. This will support 30 pounds. Thank you for your interest in our products. Call us anytime.